Ever wondered what a day in the life of a nylon fashion enthusiast really looks like? It's not just getting dressed, it's crafting identity, thread by thread, layer by layer. Let me show you how nylon isn't just a fabric. It's a movement, a mindset, a mirror. Mornings set the tone. I don't throw on clothes, I compose a look. Nylon is the canvas, bold, fluid, alive. I think of it like this. Nylon speaks. It says, I'm here. I'm fearless. I've got stories stitched into every fiber. And when I walk out that door, I want the world to feel it. Every corner is a photo shoot if you believe in the look. And believe me, people notice nylon. They look, they ask, and that opens the door to amazing conversations. The best part? You don't need a team or a studio. You just need a vision. Classic black sheers, instant elegance, works with literally everything. Statement patterns, polka dots, lace, grids, texture adds dimension. Color pop pieces, red, electric blue, try them once and tell me you're not obsessed. Layer play, layer nylon under ripped jeans or underskirts with slits, it's subversive and so chic. Confidence, because if you're not owning it, it's just fabric. And maybe a pair of fishnet tights that make you feel like a damn rock star. I didn't expect this to become a community, but every DM that says, you gave me confidence to wear what I love, that's the real runway. This came from someone in Brazil. They told me nylon helped them rediscover joy after years of hiding. Nylon isn't just fabric. It's freedom, flair, and a little bit of fun. Whether you're already deep in the game or just nylon curious, I hope today gave you a glimpse into this vibrant world. What I love most? The community. Nylon lovers are everywhere, and the support, the creativity, the boldness, it's powerful. I've been there. And now I get to be part of their journey too. Okay, style school is in session. Want to try the nylon look? Here's where to start. Fashion doesn't need rules, it needs you. That's what makes the look yours. At the end of the day, nylon fashion isn't just about the way you look. It's about how it makes you feel. Seen, bold, part of something bigger. So, what would your nylon story look like? Let's start writing it together. Hit that like if you felt the vibe, drop a comment with your favorite nylon piece, or tag me in your next fit. Don't just watch fashion, live it.